What's good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I'm back with another big body banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to make some high quality rap vocal, not rap vocal, but rap vocal ad-libs, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Yo. All right, so for this tutorial, I'm about to be using this track. In my last video, I had, you feel me, recorded over a DB by the bag type beat. And I'm finna just be, using that same track here to show y'all the ad-libs. So I'm finna just let y'all hear it right quick. Well, this is my ad-lib 2, and this is ad-lib 1 right here. So this is them both playing together. Run that bag in. Run that bag in. Aye. One. Look. By the way, ad-lib number 2 is not mixed, so. But all right. So basically, we're gonna get started on this ad-lib right here. Boom. Now here's just a little quick hack. You feel me? A little quick bandlab hack. I go to my hype box, and it kind of just makes your ad-lib for you. You feel me? Boom. Video's done. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, but like this is where you feel me get to tweaking it. So boom, you feel me, nigga. So like for a rapper, like a rap vocal, you probably would like want it to sound just a little bit higher. You feel me? It's like a background vocal. So I'm gonna throw my tech lab on there and the compressor. You feel me? And then we're gonna throw a little delay on there for the echo. Boom. All right now, we're about to get this time right really quick. As you can see, you can tap it, and it turns into milliseconds. So we're just gonna see it right quick. Hold on, nigga. See, all right. See, it's on beat. So sounds cool. Now we're gonna just cut the feedback down a little bit, and hey. Kind of like, and then but the wet kind of turns it down a little bit, fades it down. You feel me? And then you wanna just, a little spread. You know what I'm saying? And then throw your reverb on there. Boom. Hey. You feel me? Just like that, nigga. I was broke, hey, look, run that bag in. I remember I was broke, but that was past tense, nigga. Run that bag in. You feel me? Want it a little louder, just, go to your tech lab. Just cut it up. And then you feel me? Here's some little sauce right here. You can just double it up right here, boom. Nigga. Run that bag in, nigga. Feel me? You can kind of like turn the echo up a little more on the just like turn down more, turn the feedback up a little more. Just get tricky with it. Look. Hey, look, run that bag in. I remember I was broke, but that was past tense, nigga. Run that bag in. Hey, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you learned a thing or two, and stay tuned. I most likely drop the ad-lib for the singing vocals and the auto-tune vocals, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. You feel me? Yeah, bro, welcome to my library. It's all, just scroll on my channel, bro. You're gonna see all type of tips, bro, and it's gonna be straight to the point. You feel me? You watch all my videos, watch them over and over, study them. If you study my videos on top of watching them, bro, you're going to be a bandlab beast in a month.
And the benefits of being a bandlab beast is, you feel me, you can go over to different doors and go take over and do your thing, bro. Cause you feel me, bandlab is like the not even preschool, bro. It's the high school, bro. This is college, bro. This is high school, bro. FL Studio and all that, that's college, you know what I'm saying? This is bandlab is, you feel me? You feel me? It's high school senior year, bro. You feel me? Yeah, man. But hey, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Cardi Bo in this thing. Cardi Bo out, man. Peace.